Welcome to Epochs Across Eras. On this channel, we uncover the milestones, legends, and innovations that defined our past. Today we explore the legendary story of Nuwa, the earthly sovereign who shaped humanity and saved the world from chaos. Nuwa, one of the most beloved figures in Chinese mythology, is celebrated as the creator of humanity. Her story begins in a world of chaos, a desolate earth without form or life. Feeling the emptiness, Nuwa decided to create living beings to fill the world with joy and harmony. Nuwa gathered yellow clay from the riverbank and molded the first humans, shaping each one with care and breathing life into them. These handcrafted figures, according to legend, were the first nobles, strong, wise, and noble in spirit. But creating humans one by one was a slow and exhausting process. To speed up her work, Nuwa dipped a vine in the clay and flicked droplets across the ground. Each droplet formed into a human, representing the common people. This act introduced the diversity of humanity, emphasizing that everyone, noble or common, shared a connection to the earth. Nuwa's method of creation symbolizes the unity and diversity of human society, with the nobles guiding communities and the common people forming the backbone of daily life. It also reflects ancient Chinese ideas about social hierarchy and mutual dependence. As the mother of humanity, Nuwa's role wasn't limited to creation. She taught her children to live in harmony with nature, instilling values of balance, compassion, and resilience that remain central to Chinese culture today. Nuwa's story doesn't end with creation. In one of the most dramatic myths, she saved the world from destruction. A fierce battle between two powerful deities, Gong Gong, the god of water, and Zhurong, the god of fire, caused chaos on Earth. During their clash, Gong Gong smashed his head against Mount Buzhou, one of the pillars holding up the heavens, shattering it. The broken pillar caused the heavens to tilt, flooding the earth with torrential rain and creating fissures that unleashed fires. Moved by the suffering of her creations, Nuwa resolved to repair the damage. Nuwa collected stones of 5 colors, each representing an element of nature, and melted them into a glowing paste. With these, she sealed the cracks in the heavens, restoring balance and stopping the floods. To further stabilize the heavens, Nuwa killed a giant turtle and used its legs to replace the broken celestial pillar. Her selfless actions saved humanity and restored harmony to the universe. Nuwa's story of repairing the heavens is a powerful allegory for resilience and ingenuity. It reflects humanity's ability to overcome adversity and restore order in the face of chaos. The legacy of Nuwa is deeply woven into Chinese culture, spirituality, and art. Her act of creating humanity symbolizes the interconnectedness of all people, a value celebrated in festivals and traditions across China. Nuwa is often depicted in Chinese art as a serpent-bodied figure, blending human and divine elements. Her lower half, resembling a snake, symbolizes the connection between earth and spirit, emphasizing balance and harmony. Temples dedicated to Nuwa stand as places of worship and reflection, where offerings are made to honor her wisdom and compassion. These temples serve as reminders of her enduring impact on Chinese identity. Her story also influences Taoist philosophy, where her actions symbolize the balance of yin and yang. Nuwa's resilience and ingenuity inspire lessons of harmony and perseverance that resonate even in modern times. Nuwa's story transcends myth, offering timeless lessons about humanity's origins and resilience. Her creation of humans emphasizes unity and diversity, while her repair of the heavens teaches us the importance of compassion and determination. Her legacy continues to shape Chinese culture, from the values of harmony and ingenuity to the artistic and spiritual traditions that honor her contributions. Nuwa remains a symbol of hope and balance, reminding us of the power of creativity in overcoming challenges. Thank you for watching Epochs Across Eras. If you enjoyed this exploration of Nuwa's story, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring the epochs that define us all.